today we are going to discuss about pie chart. So where we need to choose pie chart and how it will work. This pie chart we are going to discuss about. So yesterday we have discussed a few charts, right? So in previous recording, so we have discussed about funnel chart. It is quite remain same. In funnel chart, we have discussed about the contribution percentage, right? So here also we are going to calculate the contribution percentage. So first we'll choose this pie chart and then we have to select the value. Maybe city and sales. So then what happened? It will provide the contribution percentage of the entire location. So Mumbai, how much is contributed? So in our previous class, we have discussed how we need to calculate the contribution percentage. So we need to take a total of all of these values. Then we have to calculate the contribution percentage. So for example, Mumbai. So we have some value. Chennai. We have some value. And Bangalore, we have some value. So consider, so the contribution percentage, we need to take the total number of values, not for the highest one. So in funnel chart, how it is calculated, which one is highest, based on that it is taken a contribution percentage, but it is not in the correct format. So you have to take the total of that particular total value, right? So you have to take total sum of total values. So then you have to calculate the contribution percentage. This one divided by total, right? Okay, fine. So this is how we need to calculate the percentage. So similarly, for this Chennai, you have to calculate like this. Chennai value divided by total value. So if I convert into percentage, so it will be like this. So 33.33 percentage. Chennai is 41.67. Likewise, we need to calculate. So in our data, so Mumbai, we can go and check the table. Show us a table. So Mumbai value is 36400, right? 36400. And total, there is no total here, so we have to take the total of this particular value. Based on the total, the contribution percentage was calculated, and it is providing the details of this 21.37. Yeah, I couldn't able to copy this. Maybe I'll just take a snap. So Mumbai is 363,400, and Chennai 345,800, and Bangalore 165,100. So I'll just erase this. Delhi. 28 because it was a snap, so I couldn't able to change it. So that's why I'll just type the number. Then only I can able to show the exact percentage. So Hyderabad 213600 and Bangalore we already written an indoor 114800. So we have to take the total of this particular value. So this is the total value and you have to divide this in this. Then you'll get the exact percentage. So you can just use the same formula for Chennai as well. Then you'll get 1%. So we can cross verify. Mumbai is 21.31, 20.28. So see here 21.31 Mumbai and Chennai is in dark blue color and it is showing like 20.28. So it is exactly matching. So likewise, we have to calculate the contribution percentage. So this is the correct way to calculate the contribution percentage. So when you want to show the difference in percentage, that time you can go for this pie chart. Okay. So you can use both this donut chart as well as this pie chart. Both is a similar method, but the way of look will differ. So this will look like a donut and first one is look like normal circle. Okay, we can go and see the settings. So here we have legend settings. So this is the legend area and slices. So this is the location color. So if you want to change the location color, we can change it here. And next one is data labels. Data labels already it is available, right? The value and percentage both is available now. And if you want to change it, we can able to change whether you want outside, whether you want inside that particular data label and prefer outside. So wherever you want, you can place it. And this one is label content, which content you want, whether you want a data value. So only you want data value, it will show only data value. And only if you want to show total, then you can select total. Or if you want to show everything, category, data value, percentage, category, data value, it should be like this. And if it is data value and percentage, then if you want, you can show all the details. That is also possible. When we are not identifying the legend, we can use this all detail labels. That is also fine. And the values area, we can able to increase the font size and font type. For example, we can change like this, make it bold. Likewise, we can able to change it, and if you want to do some color changes, that is also possible. And display unit so far is in thousands. It is mentioned in K. Then if you want to show in millions, that is also possible. Billions, that is also possible. And percentage in decimal points, it is automatically taken. If you don't want, you can just reset this default. And rotation, So if suppose you can't able to read this percentage properly, then we can able to rotate this visual little bit. How? There is a cursor here. Maybe you can just little bit move. Based on that, the circle, the pie chart will move little bit, rotate little bit, so that we can able to see the values properly. Right? So similarly, the same settings are available in donut chart as well. So if you click donut and go and check the settings, same settings are available. You can do the changes here also, right? Thanks for watching.